In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi A4 key fob. This is a very easy process. You can do it yourself at home. It'll just take you a few minutes. All you'll need to get it done is one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find this battery for a great price. Now, other than that, you don't need any special tools or anything. We can just jump right into it. First, you want to flip the key over, find this button on the back, hold it down, and pull out the internal key. Now, up here on the front, you can see this part here, this little tab. This whole part here is actually a button. So you're going to want to hold that button down and pull, and this whole section is going to come right out. You can see the batteries right there. Go ahead and simply pull the battery out, dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and all the text is facing down. And you'll just click that into place so that it sits down in there nicely, positive side down. And now we can put this back in so that the battery is facing up while the device is facing up. It's going to slide in just like that. And push it in until you hear a little bit of a click or just until it can't go in anymore. And then you can put your key back in, squeeze that all the way down. And if you want to make sure that everything is working, you can go ahead and just confirm that that light is activating when you push the button. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.